Here are 5 Amazon Prime big day deals that I think you guys will be interested in. Here it goes. So I have right here the Noco. This is a booster for your car. If in the event that you should be on a road trip somewhere and your battery dies on you for whatever reason, maybe you left your headlamps on in the car, maybe you left some form of a lighting in the car, the roof light, whatever the case may be, this I think would be a fantastic product for you guys to have. So this Noco case is fantastic. This has actually saved me on when I've been on 2 jobs. I remember doing an engagement shoot and I went back to my car, started up, nothing was there, guys. So like I mentioned before, this is the Noco, all right? This is the boost. And it is pretty simple, guys. All you pretty much do, what comes in the case is you have these 2 cables that attaches to the Noco, and all you do, you put it in this section right here, you line it up, you plug it in. Once it's plugged in, it is color coordinated, so all you have to do is put the red on the red side, the black on the black side, and then all you do is you turn the power on, like so. Once you turn it on, you will start to see the lights flashing, and it shows you that it's actually putting charge to the battery. And then all you do is give it a couple seconds, you go inside the car, turn it on, and boom, just like that, your car starts. Like I said, this thing has saved me so many times, guys. And I think it's just something for you to just have in your car in the event that you might be in a situation where, you might be in a situation where you might need to get a jump start if there's actually no one else around to help you to give you a jump. So that is the Noco Boost Plus GB40. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is it's pretty much just a small car mount that you put on your vent to hold your phone. As simple as it is, guys, it is a fantastic product that I think everybody should have. Here's a video that I shot not too long ago. Take a look. If you know anything about these guys, these car mounts, you know how annoying they can actually be, especially during the summertime. These oftentimes when it sticks to the glass, it tends to fall off, especially if you use like a windscreen and it's in front of it, the sun hits the windscreen and the heat just builds up and then this actually just falls off. Or it's when you're driving, oftentimes jerk. And I have a solution for you guys, a very quick solution, guys. This small device, guys, is from a company called GanPub. It's basically a clip that goes inside the vent, your AC vent for your car, and this thing is phenomenal. Take a look, guys, right there. It has small and neat, guys, and all it does is it clips right into the vent right here. So once it's there now, guys, I'm going to actually take my camera off and you guys can see how it actually looks. And it's a very simple mechanism right there. I haven't tightened it. I just want you guys to see how it looks. So this is it on the vent right there. And it just simply hooks onto the vents. And then, like I mentioned before, because this is kind of universal in terms of the size of this, you snap it in. So as you can see now, it's nicely into place. And me hitting it right there, you can see that there's not much shake or vibration. And one of the plus to these two, guys, is the fact that if it's a summertime, once you turn the AC on, your phone won't get hot or overheat because of the heat from the sun. Because usually the other device, let me just move these out of the way, the other, which is this here, would actually be placed on the glass right there. And usually if it's a hot summer day, you will have that on the glass, and oftentimes if it gets really hot, I've come to my car and see it just fall down on the top right here. So, this is just a quick solution for you guys if you're actually interested. All right. So that was the GanPub. This is the clip for the vent in your car, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So the next thing I want to introduce you guys to is the AirPods Pro 2. Guys, I don't know what else to say about this headphone, guys, but these things are fantastic. When I say these are incredible for your noise canceling, it is fantastic. I love the fact that the case is much smaller than the version 1, and also it has some holes right here at the bottom, and this is where the sound actually comes out. If I should also connect it to my hub right here and I put it down, you hear that little chime. What I'll do is, the thing with these two is, once you plug it into, put it into your ears, you hear that little chime, and literally it's almost like all the sounds that you probably were hearing, whether it's water or people talking or maybe even the traffic, this thing literally takes care of all that sound for you, and it just goes away. And the transparency mode is really good. So when I press and hold it, like so, now I can literally hear everything around me, and it is crystal clear, guys. It's really, really fantastic. And one of the modes that I actually do enjoy is it has a feature now in the iOS 18. If you enable it, what it does is, if there's a call that's coming in and you have the headphones in your ears, let's say you're listening to some music and it plays and Siri asks you, would you like to answer the call? You can literally shake your head up to say yes, or doing like this to say no, and it literally responds to that gesture. So these are really fantastic, guys, and right now they're going for $168, and the original price is $249, guys. So I think these would be a great choice for you guys to have if you're someone who like to listen to music while you work, whether it is that you're actually working out. I think these are pretty good. The only downfall that I've had with these guys is when I do get sweaty, it tends to fall out a little bit more, but beyond that, it's pretty good, because right now it's into my ears and like I'm shaking my head and see it's not moving at all. So you can see that it's still inside my ear. But once I get a little bit sweaty, it tends to move around a little bit more, guys. So just keep that in mind as something, as a con, all right? So I have to speak about this again, guys, because I recently did a video on this. This is the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 iPhone 14, 15, and 16 charger with this. This is fantastic, guys. It might not be the fastest charging, but if you're someone, whether it is you're doing work at your desk and you just want to get some charge into your phone, your AirPods, or your watch, it is the best thing for you to use. I normally use this, especially if I'm going to bed. Let's say I'm coming from a shoot and I have like 20% on my phone. I just put it on there and pretty much lie down. By the time I wake up in the morning, my phone is fully charged and ready to go, guys. I think this is a fantastic thing. And literally all it does, all you do is you just open it up just like so. You have the Qi 2 section right here. You also have another Qi 2 section right here, and this is for the AirPods. And if you go below it, you have a little puck right there, and all you do is just kind of flip it out, just like so. And then you literally have that set up. So let me just show you guys how it is. You can see right here, this is what it is. And like I mentioned before, you just put it right there. You're going to get a little notification right there to show you that it's going to be charging. And then, like I mentioned before, these are the AirPods 2. And all I'm going to do is just kind of put it on. And you hear the little chime right there. And then the next thing is with the watch. Pretty much simple. And you get an indication on there that it's actually started to charge. You can actually see it over there, because this watch is actually dead. Because I don't necessarily use this watch. But yeah, these are the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger. And pretty much, guys, the original price for this was $109. Now it's for $83, guys. I think it's a really good deal for you guys to jump on. So go get it as soon as you possibly can. All right, so let me get to the next item. All right, guys, so this is a SanDisk 2 terabyte Extreme portable SSD, guys. These are some of the best portable hard drive that I think you can find. They're really fast, guys. These do about 150 megabits per second in terms of your transfer speed. They're really fast, guys, and you cannot beat these guys. I love the fact that it comes with an attachment right here. You can actually take take it off, and then you have your USB-C. But if you, let's say you have a Windows laptop or whatever, or you have a computer and you want to have another connection, you have the option of using the USB-A connection. And that, I think, is really good, guys. And I love the durability actually of it, because it has this really nice texture. It has a very nice rubbery texture on this. And this is the 2 terabyte SSD that I have here, guys. And I tell you, when I'm backing up my file, if I'm on a job and I have my computer, and let's say I have a second photographer, I can literally take his cards, attach to my computer, and just pretty much just put it in, copy the files over, and they're on there in no time, guys. These are fantastic. And like I mentioned before, guys, the price right now is pretty much a 30% discount that you guys are going to be getting, and it's for $132, guys. And it is coming from $199. That's pretty much $200, guys. So think about that for a second, guys. It's a really good deal. If you're someone who value your files and backing up files, I think this is something that you really should consider getting, guys. All right, guys, so those have been my 5 Amazon choices that I think you guys should consider getting if you're someone like me who's a content creator, a photographer, or even if you're a videographer, guys. And like I mentioned before, if you're someone who actually drives, do get the Noco booster for your car, because you never know when you're in a situation where you're going to lose power in your battery and you need to get a quick jump if nobody else is around, guys. I just basically make sure it's fully charged and just have it in my trunk, and I don't even think about it, guys, because whenever the situation is going to happen, you never know, guys. All right, guys, so let me know if you guys are interested in any of these products, guys. Leave a comment below and tell me which product you think you would be interested in, and also if there are other products that you think I should have considered looking at in the comment section below, guys. And if you guys have actually enjoyed this video, guys, smash that like button, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And guys, there are more videos like this over here that I think you'll be interested in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.